Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 23rd September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given: prime pair middle composite. So in this problem we just need to do something called, they will pass a number n. We just need to print the previous and next prime number which is in the which contains the number n as a middle. If we can't able to make such a pair or find such a pair, we just need to return -1. That's it, simple though. Here in this problem they have given input 6. So the previous prime number of 6 is 5 and the next prime number of 7 is 667. So if we had the both, we will get 12, right? And 6 is in the middle. Like, let me explain that. 5, 6, 7. So 6 is in the middle, right? So it's working. So we just need to print the previous and next number. But in this case, the previous and next number of 10 is something like this: 7 and 11. So if we make the extraction 8, 9 and 10, it is clear that the 9 is in the middle, not 10. So we just need to print -1. So let's solve this in a programmatical way. First input part, n equal to int of input, that split. No, we don't need to do that. It's a single input, right? So int of input is enough. So once we have done with the input part, it's time for us to look the previous and next of prime. So I'm making a function called def find prime, and in this I just need one variable int. The reason why I'm doing is, we usually find prime number like for I in range of 2 comma n plus 1, for j in range of 2 comma I, like that, right? We are also going to do the same, but in a different manner. Like, we are not need to find all the prime numbers, right? We just need to find the previous and next prime. So for that, we just need to find two prime number. That's it. And the ranges start from n. I equal to n for I in range. We just need to use while loop because we don't know how long the loop will goes, right? Because we are just finding the next prime number. So until we find the next number, we just need to keep on iterating, right? So while true or 1, this should happen for j in range of 2 comma I. In this place we just need one more variable called flag equal to 1 by default. If I mod j is equal to 0, we just need to change the flag value as 0, which is a failed condition, and we just need to break the loop. So once we complete this inner iteration, we just need to check if the flag value passes. We just need to return I. That's it. For each and every time, we just need to update the I value by the given increment variable, because we just need to find the previous and next number, right? So to make it as a reusable thing, I'm just defining a increment here, I plus equal to inc. So if I pass 1, it will be increment. If I pass -1, it will be decrementing order, right? That's what we also want. Here in this time, I just need two variables, a and b, or x and y. X equal to find prime of 1, y equal to find prime of -1. Actually, x is the previous one and y is the next one. So -1 1. We just need to print x and y. So if I pass the value 6, we are getting 5, 6 and 7. So it's working fine, right? So it's time to make the condition print x comma y only if x plus y mod by 2 is equal to n. Otherwise print -1. So if I do that, if I pass the value 6, it working fine. What if I pass the value 10? It returning -1, but we still not completed yet. If I pass the value 5, we are getting 5 and 5. This 5 is might be the inner range, but this this is not the previous and next element, right? It's in the same position, so it can't be fine. So if I change the value like n plus ink, if I pass 5, we are getting 3 and 7, but the pair should be in the range of 5 and 5, right? Because 5 itself a prime number, so we can't do that. So it should be n, and here we just need to add one more condition, x or y not equal to n. So it's working fine. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for review. Hope you really understand what you're doing here. So see you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.